to make sure that I don't have any dead ants on here. But I killed them all. Organic ground beef. This thing mashes down the meat. Move this just a little bit. Alright. There we go. I added to my boiling water some salt and oil. I don't know, I just always do it. I'm going to start with tomato. Alright. Then I like those tomato basil. It's the cheapest sauce, but you know, it does a trick. For me, it works. But you get the last bits out. I add a little bit of water, not much though. Close it, shake it, it gets you a little bit. Alright. Let's clean up a little bit. Come over here. To check your spaghetti, I take one. It's a little too hard. I'm gonna taste the sauce now. Have a little thing. It's not really hot even yet. A little bit. Definitely needs salt and pepper. There's pepper. I've got a bit of garlic powder. Let's see, maybe I got thyme. Let's smell thyme. Thyme is good. I think thyme might be thyme. Thyme, very good. Maybe what else do I have? Let me see how oregano is. No, oregano, not my favorite thing. I got this thing from, it's called aglio. Why I use a wok is because it avoids spilling. Ah. It's very good. I would just top it off with Parmesan. Molto bene.